Yeah, this is a soundbar from BOMAKER. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. This is a 2-channel soundbar by BOMAKER. And basically, we're going to test it out today and see how well it does. So here we go. Let's open this up. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Now what we get in the box is a user manual right there. Power adapter right there. Digital output right there. Cable. Analog cables. There you go. Comes with a remote as well. And mounting screws. There you go. So let's go ahead and take a look at this soundbar. Very nice soundbar. On the back, it has one output. This will just hook on to your TV or your projector. There's also the optical input right there. There's also an USB slot and also the aux-in slot. There you go. This is a 120 watt peak power as well. There's also a bunch of buttons over here. Very nice. Bluetooth, manual, and also plus and manual and turn it on. Very nice. Now here we go. We were able to plug this in and put some batteries on the remote. It doesn't come with batteries, but that's okay. It also takes in 2 AAAs. There you go. Let's hit the power button right here. There you go. You'll see a light right there and it'll show that it is on. You can also click it up here. So on the front, there's an LED light that shows what mode you are on. Now we are in Bluetooth mode. We're gonna go ahead and connect this to our phone right here. What we'll do is we're gonna go to settings, go to Bluetooth. I'm gonna go down and see that there it is, ODINE 3. You're gonna hear a sound that it's connected and it should be good to go. Now let's go ahead and test out some sounds here. About halfway right now on my volume. I'm gonna go 3/4 there. Very nice. Let me know what you think of this sound right here. Now let me know what you think on the sounds here. Right now, the BOMAKER doesn't actually have a dedicated bass speaker. So let me know what you think if this is still pretty good, even though it's only a 2-channel soundbar. Now let's go ahead and test out some movies here.
4, 3, 2. Emergency evasive. Remain in port.
Not bad, actually.
Damage report. Electric shields are holding. All stations. Engineer Olson, report. Come about starboard 90 degrees, drop us down underneath and soon.
And there you go. Now let's go ahead and test out the HDMI. Now what we'll do here is grab our HDMI and also connect it to our MacBook Air M1. That up right there. Put this in the back of the BOMAKER. There you go. You have to change the mode as well on the remote to HDMI. There you go. Now this one is coming from my MacBook Air. And there you go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a new soundbar by BOMAKER. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well. I really recommend this for people who wants to revamp our, if you're tired of watching from your TV speakers, then this be good for you just to start it off, just to give you a little bit of a thump on your music. And also it has a pretty good bass as well, even though it's only a 2-channel speakers. And yeah, if like I said, hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Peace.